As you can see, sunny days are back again, and when you park your car outside, this area gets very hot as the sun shines directly on your windshield. So I was looking for a product because for the next 1 month I will be out of Kolkata and I will stay with my family, and the place where I will need to park my car now don't have any covered parking area. So I have purchased this product, and let's see if it covers the entire windshield or not, which is very important for me. Okay, it covers the entire windshield effectively, uh, and they have provided two suction mounts also. So with this you can also fix it like this. Let me show it for you. So I can fix it here, and another one to this side also. And the product is quite economically priced. And what you do after fixing this, you apply your sun visors. So the area gets covered effectively. You can reposition it according to the size of your windshield, and this product is quite useful in covering your windshield during hot summer days when you are parking under the direct sunlight. So you can definitely consider purchasing this product during the coming hot summer months, and I will always recommend this type of products. So this is a perfect fit, and the links will be in the description box, and if you buy from our links it helps us a little bit. So please do subscribe if you find this video useful for you.